people, and welcome to Design Your Space by Tando, a space of home decor, inspiration and DIYs. Today guys, I want to show you my living room and dining room. I'm not done with the space, but I just thought I should show you guys what I have been doing and how it looks so far. Remember last year I showed you guys a couple of videos where I was updating the space, and it's finally updated. So as you can see, I'm in my living room, so that's where I'm going to start. We have this L couch, which is really big. We really love it and it's so comfortable. We got it at a shop in Benoni called Clearence. It's a really beautiful corner couch. It's suede. The fabric is suede and the color is a light gray, so it really looks good. I wish you guys could see it from how I see it. I think the camera is not doing it enough justice, and I've basically put a couple of pillows that go hand in hand with the decor. I love gray, guys. By now you should know that I love gray, and this is my main color. So let's start over to this side. We have this faux fur. That's what it's called. It's actually it's not real fur, and it looks like a mat type of. So you can lay it on the ground, you can lay it on your sofa. So that's what I've basically done, and I love it. It looks amazing. And I've paired it with this white fluffy pillow from Mr. Price Home, and I actually got this from China Mall. And over to this side we have two pillows that I really love. This one I got at the Hub, and it's gray and it's velvet. I really like it. This one over here, it's a smaller pillow. I got it at Mr. Price Home. I like it because it's gray and it has these gold geometric lines going on. So it's really lovely. I really love how it looks. And moving over to the side of the couch, we have another geometric cushion, and a blue one from the Hub and another velvet one from the Hub. And over to this side, I love the space over here, you guys. We have two side tables that are gold with a glass top. I got at Decorfurn. This is a new addition to the family, guys. I love these so much, and they really give it a plush feel and elegance to the space. Actually using them as a coffee table, and at the top here I have this glass vase I got from Pep Home, and it's really lovely. And I have a bouquet of flowers that I actually made myself. And on the side here I have a book called number 7, which is my favorite number. And yeah, and Designer Space products. This is a candle, and this is a luxurious diffuser, which goes really well with the space. It gives it that elegant and plush feeling. And over to the side I have these gray curtains that were actually in my bedroom, and I brought them this side. Sorry about the light, guys. There's too much light coming in this whole apartment, so it makes it really difficult to film. We have our rug, which is really big and really beautiful. I really love how this rug looks, guys. As you can see, guys, my color scheme has a lot of gray, a lot of gold and black and white. So yeah, that's mostly the colors I go for, and I really love how this living room or sitting room is looking like. We got this cupboard at China Mall, you guys. I told you last year about the bargains that I got at China Mall. So I got this picture at Mr. Price Home, and when I got it I thought it was the biggest thing until I put it on this wall, and you guys can see that it looks really small for this wall. So I still want something huge, something really big that's gonna fit actually, like from where I put the nails up till the side, if you guys can see that. So yeah, that's what I want, and I hope I do find something like that, something that's affordable. In the dining room side, that's the first thing you see when you come in the kitchen, and basically we have chairs and a table. These chairs we got at Decorfurn. They are gray in color and they have brown legs at the bottom, and they're really nice, you guys. I would have opted for velvet chairs, but you know, guys, we're always on a budget, so I chose these ones. I'm still gonna change them because I do love them. I do love how they're easy to take care and easy to maintain, but still I want something different. And I have this table that we got as a second hand, and we refurbished it, so it looks really nice. I've actually put this white tablecloth on top to give it that restaurant feel. And I also have this tree that I got from Mr. Price Home, and this round mirror from Sheet Street. So this is basically how my dining room is looking, you guys. This is really small, but it is really manageable and I love how it looks. It's plain and simple. I do not like clutter in the home, so I keep everything really plain and simple. And over to this side we have our TV station. We have our TV station down here, and we've basically kept it really simple. We have our TV up at the top. My husband and I mounted this one, and it was really easy. And we actually think it's a bit too high. We wanna just lower it a bit. Let me know what you think. It looks a bit too high, but at the bottom we have our TV station, which basically has our radio and other entertainment devices. And at the top I have these two vases that I got from game stores, and I just have like these electric candles. This plant I got from Mr. Price Home, and this plant over here I got it from my mom. I really love it, guys. And at the corner there I have this small side table that we actually made. It was a DIY. It was not like this. We actually painted this, and I had to put this marble finish on top, and it really looks nice. At first we used it as a side table, and I actually cut it down to make a dining room table. It has gone through the most, so I still love it. It looks good. And at the top of it I have this plant that I got from my mom. I really love how it looks. And moving over to the side, these curtains were in my bedroom, so I changed them. I think they really look nice with the gray setting over here, so I'm really excited about everything here. This is the overview of the whole apartment, guys. I am not done yet. There's still a lot that I want to do in this apartment. I do not like clutter. I do not like filled spaces. As you can see, my spaces are very minimal and there's not a lot of things in the space, so I like to keep it this way. I really like a clean and tidy home. So yeah, that's it for my video, guys. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, you know, guys, and become a family member. Let me know what you think of this video, guys, down in the comment section. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.